tell something about yourself.
I am Maria Sahara Serrano from Laptop, Legazpi City, 30 years of age, graduate of 2-year computer programming. We are 6 in the family. I am single with no child.
What is your main reason applying abroad?
To help my family, especially my parents, because they are not getting any younger anymore. This is my way of saying how much I love them.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
How about young children?
Yes.
Can you sing lullaby to put baby or children to sleep?
Lullaby and good night. Close your eyes and sleep tight. Like a rose in his bed, lay down your sweet head.
Can you and you are willing to take care of elderly or bedridden people?
Yes.
How about animals? Are you willing to take care of pets and domestic animals?
Yes.
Do you have any experience in cooking?
Yes. Filipino dishes.
What particular foods, dishes can you prepare?
Adobo, sinigang, frying, some pasta.
Do you know how to bake?
Simple baking.
What particular home and electrical appliances can you operate?
Television, computers, washing machine, vacuum, electric stove.
What particular language and dialect can you speak?
English, Tagalog, Bicol.
This interview will be viewed by your potential employer. Why do you think he should hire you?
I did not apply for this job to help someone. I applied for this job to earn and save so I can help my family. And I am not promising anything. I will just do my best.
Okay, thank you.